Alright, what's going on everyone? I'm Tristan, and today in this video what I'm doing is I'm going to be unboxing a few sneakers and shirts and things like that in this video, and we're just going to be unboxing some clothing, stuff like that. Got like a $600 worth of stuff here, and it's just a video I wanted to do because why not? Everybody loves a little quarantine unboxing, and that's what we got here today. So I hope you all will enjoy. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to go ahead and subscribe below for more unboxings like this, and definitely drop that like also. I'll be going over the Supreme drop tomorrow, so stay tuned on that. We got a pretty interesting week, decent week ahead of us, and you know, if you guys want more videos like this, that's another reason you can drop a like. But yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. I hope you guys will enjoy. You can also check out my Instagrams down below in the description. I'd appreciate a follow on either or both of those. That'd be dope. And yeah, I'm pretty much gonna get into showing you guys each of the items that they're stacked up in my desk right there. That's why I'm doing this. I'll show you guys each of the items I got here on my desk and you know how good they are. So I hope you all will enjoy, and let's get started. Okay, so I've been pretty excited to do this unboxing. Of course, I delayed my whole dropless videos and all that for this, so that hopefully shows you all know. But we got 4 different items here, and I'm going to be showing you guys them. So the first one I want to go over is this smaller package right here. I do know what this item is based off just reading the person who sold it to me's name. I know that this is now. This is a pretty cool item, so I'm going to get straight into this one. I'm just going to rip it off right here. And here we go. So the first thing that we got right here, I was expecting these ones and they seem pretty comfortable. I'm glad I got them. Is these Patagonia shorts, and this pair that I got right here just to wear. Of course, these are more expensive shorts. These are kind of like swim shorts, so you can get them wet too. But I just got them also to wear around, and it seems like these are going to be a good pair to wear around. Definitely going to have a fit pick coming up in these. They kind of just messed with like the blue and white pattern, just something simple. Like this is like a normal pair. You could probably get it like any like store that has Patagonia, but I heard Patagonia shorts are really good quality from my friend Ian Joseph, so shout out to him. Definitely got to get the video shout out on that one. But basically you got the buttons in the back so you can hold stuff. That's useful. I'm gonna need that. And that they're a pair of swim trunks and shorts at the same time. So now I got a pair of swim trunks and shorts. But as you see in the same time, the liner's like mesh, like you could wear. So it doesn't actually like bother you if you're just wearing it as a normal pair of shorts. So normal pair of shorts, pretty fire. And I'm glad to have a normal pair like this. Definitely going to be getting style. Some fuego. So first little thing we got, some Patagonia shorts, super comfy. As you can see, the Patagonia logo right there. Patagonia, got that heat logo. That is heat. The mountains are heat on that. First little thing, got a pair of Patagonia shorts. Definitely needed a pair of shorts for the upcoming spring and summertime, and why not from Patagonia? So my first pair of Patagonia shorts, I think I'm gonna be a big fan of them. These are pretty fire to me. Second thing we got another big package right here, and I know this one is also decent size, as you can tell, but this is just gonna be a tee. Those were a pair of shorts. I thought that shorts were gonna be a tee for a second, so I was looking all confused at it for a sec. But this package, I know what this one is. If the guy sent me the right thing, if not, then we're going to be getting a refund from PayPal. But we're not going to have any like that kind of unboxing. Everybody I bought from seems to be very, very legit in this video. So getting unboxed. And the second item that we have here. Alright, and yeah, they did ship us the right thing. So I'm very happy about that. And the next thing that we got is the Supreme Gucci Mane Trap God 1017 t-shirt. So as you can see, you got the Gucci Mane tee, you got Gucci on the t-shirt. There's a lot of crap on the t-shirt I need to get off. So I should have cleaned this before shipping it to me, but it's still cool. It's still cool. And I know this is legit because the guy showed me the online confirmation of when he got it from this item. So a legit Supreme Gucci Mane t-shirt. On the back, as you can see, it says Trap God 1017, I'm pretty sure. Goo Up, yeah, that's what it says. And then you got the box logo. So this is a pretty iconic t-shirt to me. I at least think it is. I mean, you guys may not think it's iconic, but for different reasons, I think this t-shirt is iconic. Especially getting it on this day, getting a Gucci Mane Supreme t-shirt on 420. Like, come on now. Like, at least that's somewhat, like, that's some hard work right there, T. So this one's for the personal collection. I'm not selling this or the Patagonia shorts, both for personal. As you can see, Trap God 1017, you got Goo Up right there. So shout out Goo Up and shout out Supreme for this super fuego tee. Glad to have this one in the personal collection now, and you can just tell he's flexing up there in the BOGO. And you know, he just, Gucci be dripping 24/7. Gucci is the drip god. Gucci's the jewelry god, if you guys didn't know. But next t-shirt that I got, definitely gonna put this one on and wear it for the video after I clean it off a little bit. It's got all this stuff on it, but Supreme Gucci Mane tee. fire to me. And next up, we got 2 pairs of Revenge Storms from the group chat. My boys at Plug and Power, I ordered these a while back and I got these pairs here now. I'm going to be selling both them for profit. I may style the blue one for Instagram pictures, so that may get styled, but probably not. But we got 2 pairs of Revenge Storms here from the actual group chat, so shout out Plug and Power. They have a 420 restock today, and they're dumping a bunch of stuff in the chat, a bunch of info, so if you guys want to go check them out, go check them out in the description. I'm going to get a code sooner or later here, guys, I promise you all. Go check them out for their restock today. It's $35 a month, and you all can get like legit pairs of Revenge Storms. Like, I'm gonna unbox them right now and show you all. You can get legit pairs of Revenge Storms for like $110 to $115. So let me get into showing you guys. They got a lot of really dope stuff coming soon, so I'd join before you can. And yeah, shout out Plug and Power. So first pair of sneakers we got right here is the pair of green bandana Revenge Storms, size 12. These are fire. I'm messing with these for sure. These are the vibes, and shout out them. You know, they got the whole thing right here, and these look dope. So shout out them. We finally got a pair of green rag Storms in. Sadly, I cannot fit these because they're size 12. The other pair is size 9, so maybe I can fit those. I'm more of like a 10, but we'll see what we can do. But we still got something else right here with the size 12 green rag Revenge Storms. If anybody wants these for a steal, let me know, because I'm trying to sell these and, you know, get some money going. So let me know if anybody wants these, because I'm selling these. I'm not keeping these. So if anybody needs a pair of green rags, let me know. But details on these is insane. Like, I want y'all to peep the details on the green rags, like the colors and all the stitching and all that. Like, pretty good detail on the sneaker. Very similar to the original Vans old school model. As you can tell, that's what Revenge Storms resembles, the old pairs of old school Vans. Basically just a kind of a new style to it. So new style, pretty cool Vans. I'm really messing with these ones. So shout out Revenge X Storm, these are fire. And shout out Plug and Power, you can go check them out in the description. There's my boys. I finally got my pairs I copped, so these are fire. So we're gonna set these ones down. We got a lot of shoes and stuff in this video, you know, good unboxing. But the final pair we got, and this is, I think, the nicest. This is the nicest pair I have. Gonna be hard to rip all the tape. The next pair of Revenge Storms we got, and these look extremely clean in hand. I'm just gonna point this out. This is the cleanest pair I've seen in hand. These might be a keep for the personal, but if they're not decided by personal by the end of this video, so then hit me up with offers. Size 9 pair of OG blue Revenge Storm. Got these for the low, and shout out Plug and Power. These look really clean. Like, look at these. Like, dude, like, these look so nice in person. Like, it's a really nice, like, blue, very clean pair. So I'm messing with these. This could be a keep, but like, I want y'all to peep the details. Like, basically it's just plain all around, and you know, you got like a little bit of factory stuff right there. Like, I want to point that out. Like, the factory sometimes gets like marks on the sneaker. You probably can't see it because my camera isn't focusing on it for some reason, but maybe you can see it a bit there, like the little marks like right there. So you get little marks from the factory. But glad to have this pair. And the other pair, we got a pair of green rags, and we got a pair of blue Revenge Storms. Both I'm very big fan of. Like, you can peep the bottoms and both very clean, very clean. Like, look at that, like fire. So we got 2 pairs right here. I'm gonna sell them, so if anybody wants them, let me know. Size 12 and size 9. I'm definitely throwing steals, so just let me know in the comments. Throw offers, DM me at my reselling account if you want them. Just let me know. I'm gonna be selling them. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got to discuss. So we got a lot of heat in this video. Supreme Gucci Mane tee, Revenge Storms, Patagonia shorts. A pretty good quarantine unboxing, so I hope you guys did enjoy, and let's roll that outro. Anyways, if you guys want more content like this, feel free to go ahead and subscribe below and drop a like. I promise I'm going to be doing more videos with these boys in the future. Revenge Storms, we'll be having plenty of videos with them. Shout out Plug and Power for always supporting the videos and all that. I appreciate it. The pair is really clean, and I'm definitely going to be getting this video out ASAP for them. Though I think this is dope, and I'm glad that, you know, I just have more Revenge Storms. I love always having some Storms in, you know, they're very clean pairs. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I already said subscribe, like, and all that for more videos like this. So that's pretty much all I gotta say usually. So I'm Tristan. You can check out my Instagrams down below in the description too. Give me a follow, like either of those, that'd be dope, you know. And shout out this national holiday today. 420 is a national holiday. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I'm Tristan. Peace.